Organisations have three prime reasons why they put a data classification solution in place. This is that they want to classify their most sensitive information, and if you don't identify and classify that information, how do you know how it's been handled and processed? Also, heavily regulated industries need to show to their auditors, be that internal or external, that they are handling the information appropriately. Organisations wish to increase security awareness amongst their end users. If you're asking your end users to classify each document when they save it and to classify each email before they send it, you can be sure that information is front of mind. So organisations can use reporting to show, and the regulatory authorities, to show that they are meeting those regulations, and obviously with general data protection regulations, all industries have to show how they're handling personal data, for example. And in addition, reporting can be used by the organisation to show the trends of security breaches or mistakes that are happening over time, and hopefully the trend will be moving in the right direction. Organisations are putting the reporting system in right at the earliest stages of a data classification project. The reason for this is that the project manager wants to know which machines and which users are starting to use the classification tools. After that, they then want to know which classification values in the data classification scheme are being used. And of course, then the business wants to know who is saving or sending what to where. If there are any information breaches, the reporting system needs to show when a highly classified or as highly sensitive information is being sent to the wrong place. And finally, we're seeing that all organisations in their reporting system want to know who is downgrading the label of their documents and their information. Classifier reporting system has the ability for customers to create their own reports, and we've seen a number of customers doing this. A couple that stand out are a quarterly report, which is really a snapshot for the senior executives to indicate which classification values are being used over the current quarter versus the previous quarter. We've also seen customers creating reports that show the justification that users have used for downgrading the labels of emails and documents. So classifier reporting is really bringing a lot of benefits to customers as it stands, but it could be so much better. We've been talking to a number of user behaviour analytics companies who have been looking at our data sets and doing some sophisticated and frankly impenetrable mathematics on our data sets. We're also trying to overlay different data sources to our data classification solution. And all these initiatives are helping companies to secure their information.